All right, y'all already know the vibes, man. This part 2 of the test ride on the 01 Trx400ex, y'all. Doing the first test run, as y'all seen in my title, I heard like a small ticking noise. So now we're gonna be doing, you know, a new test run, y'all, to make sure we don't hear that ticking noise no more. But other than that, y'all already know, man. Always check your gas before you ride, man. Pipe is cold. Let's see what happened, y'all. No ticking noise, y'all. Going around the course today, y'all. Doing like 2 miles per hour, y'all. I did too much, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Hold up. There we go. I did too much. Let's start those corners today. Right turn. know what y'all think. How's she running? Y'all feel like it's still ticking, or y'all let me know. What do y'all think? But I did stall out back there one time though, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I stalled out. It had stalled out on me. But I don't know, y'all let me know what y'all think. How do y'all think? Do y'all think it still got the ticking noise to it, or think it could be better? What y'all think, man? I want y'all to definitely leave a comment, man. Like I said, this is part 2, y'all. Part 2 of the test ride. Still on. Let's turn it off and see if it start back up. All right, we're gonna turn it off and see if it start back up, y'all. Y'all, like I said, man, before I started, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me know y'all thoughts on this bike. You know it's a lot of bike lifers out there, man. Y'all let me know. Like I said, it's part 2, man. Y'all can go check out part 1, you know, with the ticking noise, and this is part 2 without the ticking noise. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all talk. Gonna start from a dead stop, y'all. See, I don't like how it be putting out, like it be making that putting noise sometimes, y'all. It be like making a putt noise sometimes. It just does it sometimes, though. It make a putt noise. But as far as the ticking, I think the ticking is pretty much, you know, it sounds pretty good as far as ticking noise. Yeah, what's up, bro?
What's up? How you ride that one?
Oh, you be riding?
Uh-huh.
What kind of bike you got?
I got a dirt bike, my dirt bike right there.
Oh, you got a dirt bike. What size?
I got a 4-wheeler.
You got a 4-wheeler?
I got a 125.
Oh, that's the size. You got a 125 dirt bike? Okay, man. How old you is, bro?
Nah.
You 9, you okay? Yeah, I seen you just wave it down real quick, you know, just making sure this bike right. Make sure it's perfect.
Well, you got this.
Oh, I fixed on it. I worked on it. Yeah, this is not my bike. It's a customer bike.
Oh, you just testing it out.
Yeah, I'm doing the V-Touch on it. It's called the V-Touch. You know what that is?
Like, making sure it's good.
Make sure it start up first kit.
Oh, it don't do like you don't gotta hold it.
Hold like what? Like the
Break it, do it.
the clutch.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this the clutch right here. You just gotta hold the clutch. That's before you knock the gears down.
It might pop up.
Yeah, it might pop. If you pop the clutch, it's gonna pop up on you if you pop it. Oh yeah, if you just knock it down, it's gonna pop up on you. You gotta grab the clutch before you knock the gear down.
Honda.
Yeah, this is a Honda, man. Honda 400.
I got a 4-wheeler. It like this kind of.
He got a 4-wheeler.
How tall it is?
It like this kind of tall, but
It's like yours, but like a little.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
My brother Chris, he got it
right there.
He got the same thing.
What the F? That's his right there.
That's his? Oh, that's crazy. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, all right?
Are you coming back?
I'm finna go up and down. You want me to go up and down the street for you? there. He got that thing pushing. Yeah. What's good? Yeah, they just seen me out here. They're waving me down. Oh shit! Wanted me to put on the show real quick. What that is? A 110?
I think so.
Okay.
You do videos?
Huh?
You do videos?
Yeah, sometimes, you know.
Oh, you be
See,
on.
'cause on the camera.
You be with
What's
Bike
that?
boys?
Huh?
Bike boys?
You be with
Bike
bike
boys?
boys.
Nah, not really. I just fix bikes. That's all I do. I just fix it. You know, y'all just caught me while I was
You
testing
recording
it.
right now?
Nah, not right. Sometimes I record. You know.
You got that camera.
I know. I be recording myself riding. When I be riding, I be.
You be recording. Oh, the camera's supposed to be inside.
I know. Yeah, I gotta put the plastic's not on it. The plastic's not on it. Yeah, I gotta put the seat and everything back
You
on.
got your own?
My own what bike?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got like one. I got a couple bikes.
You got a dirt bike?
So I got
You
dirt
go to
bike.
the car show?
When? Oh yeah, you talking about in Pompano, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might go through there. Y'all going?
Yeah.
Young Greasy gonna be there?
You say young who?
Greasy. Greasy. Something.
Oh shit, bro.
Let's get it.
Y'all let me know what y'all think on this bike though, y'all. Put off the brake, y'all. Baby mama bike. Baby mama bike, y'all. Can I turn around in the 360, y'all? Oh, I almost had it. I almost had it too, y'all. I almost just turned around in the 360. I gotta try it on a wider street. Yeah, I ain't gonna do it on this street. Woo. Why they call it the baby mama bike though? Woo, through the mud. I feel like if I get in the lot, I can turn around. Yeah, I haven't tried in a lot though. Like back there. 400ex, man. Do y'all feel like it's still ticking, or y'all feel like the bike is perfect now? But me personally, I can feel the difference with the bike. Definitely don't sound like a tick to me. So y'all let me know. Definitely like, comment, subscribe on the video, man. It's part 2. But other than that, y'all